Hi, kindergartners. We have some new words that we wanted to share with you. And we like to call these words trick words. They are sight words. And I bet lots of you have seen these words when you are reading books. And also, you may want to use these when you are writing in your journals. So let's get started. The first one is has. So you say the word after I say it. Has. His. His. We. She. Be. They. Are. Okay, so we will give you different activities to help you practice these words. But for now, take a look, and I can't wait to see you start using them in your work. Take care.